Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is combustion. Combustion is commonly known as burning. Combustion is a chemical reaction between fuel and oxygen that is present in air. You know that oxygen is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, water vapors and dust etc. Oxygen is present 21% in air. This oxygen reacts with the fuel and the fuel get oxidized and it forms oxides. Along with this process, energy is released in the form of heat and light. There are different types of fuels which we use like wood, coal, oil in the form of petrol, kerosene oil, diesel and gas, methane gas, sui gas. Methane is the main component of sui gas. We use these fuels for different purposes. These fuels are used in home to produce heat for cooking food and to keep the room warm. And different cars, buses, ships and aircrafts are used fuels to drive. In order to run them, we use different types of fuels. Fuels are also used in the power station to generate electricity. You know that we use coal to produce steam. The pressure of steam runs the blades of the turbine and turbine rotate the rotor inside the stationary coil, and in this way electricity is produced. The fuel consists of carbon and hydrogen. They are known as hydrocarbons. And when they burn in air, they form oxides like carbon dioxide and water. Its chemical name is hydrogen oxide. The word equation for the reaction when fuel burns with oxygen, arrow water plus carbon dioxide plus heat energy. Along with heat energy, light is also produced. In order to confirm the presence of water and carbon dioxide in the product, this experiment is carried out. Student, in this test tube there is anhydrous copper sulfate powder, which is a white color powder, and this test tube contains calcium hydroxide solution commonly known as lime water. You know that this solution is colorless, and this is a vacuum pump. Here natural gas whose main component is methane is burning. The products are being pulled. First they will go through this test tube that contain anhydrous copper sulfate. As the product contain water, this anhydrous copper sulfate white powder turns blue, and this change in color will indicate the presence of water in the products of burning of methane. When these products are passed through this calcium hydroxide solution, it will turn milky, and milkiness is due to the chemical reaction between carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide. You know that calcium carbonate is formed, which is insoluble in water and give milkiness appearance to this solution. This is the word equation for the burning of methane with oxygen, arrow water, carbon dioxide plus energy. Student, that you know very well that we need energy to do different activities of life. Since all the life processes need energy, and energy must be present in the cells of our body. This energy comes from the food that we eat. You know that we eat proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals as a food. Carbohydrates and fats are energy foods. Carbohydrates contain hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. The food that we eat, first it is digested into tiny molecules during digestion. During digestion, carbohydrates convert into glucose. Glucose reacts with oxygen within the body cells. The oxygen needed to burn the glucose comes from the lungs. Oxygen and glucose react within the body cells, and this process is known as respiration. The word equation for this process is this. Within each and every cell of our body, this reaction is going on. Glucose react with oxygen, carbon dioxide, water plus energy is produced during this reaction. It is this energy that we use to do different activities of our life. Thank you. Okay student, question number 1 is burning endothermic or exothermic? Explain your answer. Very simple beta. Burning is an exothermic reaction. Clear? Explain your answer. For this you have to write, because the reaction releases energy in the form of heat and light. Clear? Question number 2. What is an oxide and which oxide is produced when carbon is burnt in the air? The answer will start from this line up to this line. Clear? And second part, which oxide is produced when carbon is burnt in air? Its answer is, the word equation for this answer is this. Carbon when react with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide along with the heat energy and light energy. Clear? Which oxide is produced? Carbon dioxide is produced. Next, question number 3. Name the 3 fuels that burn well in the air. Beta, the answer will start from this. The fuels such as wood to this burn well. Clear? Next, question number 4. What is a hydrocarbon? What happens to a hydrocarbon when it burns? The answer will start from this fuel, not these. Fuels burn well up to this line. Clear? Question number 5. Why do our bodies need fuel? What does this fuel come from? Where does this fuel come from? Beta, the answer will start from this line to this line, respiration. Clear? Next, question number 6. Give one way that combustion and respiration are, number 1 same, number 2 different. Okay beta, first write down why they are same. Because energy is produced by combining fuel and oxygen. In case of combustion, fuel plus oxygen react to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. You can add this word equation also in this answer. And during respiration, digested food like glucose react with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. Clear? Second point, what is the difference between the two? Beta, in combustion large amount of heat is produced and it is very fast process, while respiration is much slower process. Thank you.